Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into the world of making money. Now, I'm not here to promise you a quick fix or a get-rich-quick scheme. What I will do is share some practical tips and ideas that can help you earn a little extra cash. First off, let's talk about side hustles. Have you ever considered turning your hobby or passion into a money-making venture? It could be as simple as selling handmade crafts, offering freelance services, or even starting a blog. The possibilities are endless, and the best part is that you can work on it in your free time. Another way to make money is by investing in the stock market. It's important to remember that this is a long-term strategy and not a get-rich-quick scheme. By investing in stocks, you can potentially earn dividends and capital gains over time. Lastly, consider picking up a part-time job. This could be anything from delivering food to driving for a ride-sharing service. The key is to find something that fits your schedule and interests. Remember, making money takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and strategies, you can start earning a little extra cash. Thanks for tuning in. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more money-making tips. Until next time, keep hustling,